can't mean dust.
You heard right, Meteora. We do mean dust. Dust and water. Let me show you the prescription. Mr. Apothecary. Mr. Apothecary. Mr. Apothecary.
Yeah?
How's to mix us up a cloud? Rush order.
How's that?
A cloud.
A cloud? Won't take a minute. Yeah, the cloud. Let me see here. Cloud! Cloud, here it is. Pound of pure air. And, add water vapor till humid. Where did I put that water vapor? Oh, yeah, here it is.
That's water vapor.
Just water in the form of gas. Now, most air has water in it, even though you can't see it.
No interruptions, please. Mind your manners. Add water vapor, just short of saturation point. And now the final ingredient, cloud dust.
There's no such thing as cloud dust.
Oh, yes, there is, Curly. You can't see cloud dust any more than you can see water vapor, but the air's full of it.
We live in a perpetual dust storm without knowing it. Salt crystals from the sea, ash from fires and volcanoes, exhaust products from automobiles and factories.
Cloud dust, just like I told you. One pinch, and then cool.
And it's when air is cooled that dust makes clouds possible. The excess water vapor, millions of water molecules, keeps fastening on to the bits of dust until they become visible cloud droplets.
A cloud, just like I told you. Now here's a prescription if you want to make up a cloud to hum. Mix air, water vapor, and dust. Chill thoroughly, and there you be.
Artist, indeed. And where do you think you're going?
We have work to do, Goddess.
The fields need rain.
The mountains know.
Rain and snow, make 'em for you in a snippet. Exactly the same ingredients as in my cloud prescription. Air, water vapor, and dust. Only much colder this time. I'll use a precipitation machine. Now, watch closely.
When the temperature is considerably below freezing, first thing that happens is that these tiny water droplets surrounding this dust particle freeze. But all of them grow bigger and bigger by taking water vapor from the droplets around them until they start to fall. Some merge with other crystals. Some catch still other cloud droplets. And soon they become the big ice crystals we call snow.
Yeah, wintertime, it stays snow all the way down. But in summer, the snow melts and becomes rain.
Rain am really snow?
Well, got any other prescriptions you want filled?
No.
No? Thank you, Mr. Apothecary.
No trouble at all.
If only Thor were here, he'd silence them.
Thor?
Thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning? The doc knows all about them.
Wait a minute, all about's a big order. Of course, everybody knows that thunder and lightning are associated with thunderstorms. Now here's a time-lapse film of a big one. Warm air pushing up through a fair weather cloud called cumulus is the fuse that sets off thunderstorms. The cumulus grows explosively, sometimes rising more than 40,000 feet in less than 10 minutes. At the height of its growth, the characteristic anvil top forms. Turns into a cumulonimbus or rain cloud.
And comes the deluge.
Now let's see how these fireworks start. In a cumulonimbus, positive charges tend to accumulate near the top of the cloud and negative ones near the bottom, forming reservoirs of positive and negative electricity. It's also believed that electricity generated by wind-shattered drops, by friction between ice crystals, by the freezing of drops, is added to these reservoirs.
Anyhow, when they become overcharged, something's got to give. When you see lightning, it can be within a cloud, or between clouds, or between the earth and a cloud. And what you hear, merely shock waves caused by the sudden expansion of air heated by lightning. Same kind of waves are sent out by exploding dynamite. To the eye, lightning looks like a single stroke, but it's really a series of strokes. These pictures, taken by a camera developed especially to photograph lightning, show several distinct strokes in a single quarter-second flash.
As high as 40 strokes have been recorded in a single flash.
Who said lightning never strikes in the same place?
Well, man's almost been able to do the trick. Here we're going to show you some tame lightning that always strikes in the same place.
Big lightning, will they? Just lead me to them. Here comes Thor. He'll show him.
Yes, Thor!
Where are they?
Right there, Thor.
Humans?
All of you, make a storm! A thunderstorm!
I'm afraid that's quite impossible. No thunderstorm today.
Show the mortal how wrong he is.
Neither rain, nor snow, nor sleet shall stay this flame.
I'll marry the god who puts that candle out.
I'll blow it out.
I'll show him.
Imposters, fakes, charlatans, all these years.
Don't blame your gods, Meteora. They've been very real to us, even though we created them to hide our fears of the unknown.
I'm so